Global markets are entering a new phase of uncertainty. Geopolitical tensions and economic shifts are beginning to reshape the global economy. Conflicts across the world are disrupting supply chains. Trade routes slow down, transportation costs rise, and many industries feel growing pressure. When uncertainty spreads, financial markets react quickly. Prices move sharply up and down, creating volatility that challenges investors. During geopolitical tension, energy demand often increases as countries focus on securing critical resources. At the same time, governments increase defense spending to strengthen national security and technological capability. Meanwhile, technology continues transforming the economy. Artificial intelligence and digital infrastructure remain powerful drivers of long-term growth. In uncertain markets, investors often turn toward safer assets like gold. Governments also invest in infrastructure to strengthen economic stability and long-term development. Successful investors understand diversification, spreading investments across sectors to balance risk. When markets fall, fear spreads quickly and many investors panic sell. However, patience remains one of the most powerful investment strategies. Every crisis creates opportunity for prepared investors who study the market, diversify wisely, and focus on the long term.